Okay na yun. Hello, Raffy Fanatics. Dito tayo ngayon sa Hill Brews Cafe and Transient. Ito na, coffee yan. Makikita nyo ang islands. Over there. Yan ang island. Ano island there? Yan yung mga... Makita ba nila yung mga boats? Yung mga boats. You have the trees. And doon ang hometown namin sa Alag, Romblon.
Saan banda? Saan banda?
Makikita nyo. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. So dito ka namin just relaxing. Yan. Order kami dito ng foods dito sa Hill Brews Cafe and Transient. Okay naman ang weather. So far so good. Time check is 1:39 p.m. January 9. Piyesta ng Biniray sa January 11. Mag-piyesta tayo doon. Hindi ba tumatawa ka? Ganun ang piyesta sa Biniray. Pakita mo yung gardens. This is the garden sa Hill Brews. Okay, so yun lang. Let's make this short. Ano lang siya? That's my brother. Pakita mo yung brother mo. My brother. Okay? Tara, sama kayo. Tutor ko kayo dito sa Hills Brew. Yung great value. Yung Hills Brew.
Wala namang S ah.
Hill Brews.
Uy, pasira yan.
Hill Brews. Transient. Tara, pakita ko yung loob. Yung mga leaf nila. Ayun na. Ito yung coffee. May coffee din sila. Tissue. Hindi sila tissue.
Uy!
Bakit gel? Kita niyo yung place. Medyo ganda. May marble. Of course, sasarap ko tayo. Marble. Meron silang white. Hello?
Nakapatay eh.
Okay naman. Yan. Ito yung mga pinapresents nila dito. Yan. Kayaseg. Kayaseg is a Kalinga term. Alam ko yan eh, Kayaseg. I-explain ko sa inyo. Kayaseg is a Kalinga term for Kalasag. Which one is wooden shield carried by brave Kalinga warriors during battles to protect their bodies from direct blow or attack of the enemies. It has been a symbol of courage, strength, and unwavering will of the Kalinga warriors to protect their community, to form its spirit as one of the strongest Cordillera people. So, eto na. Yan yung axe na ginamit ng mga Cordillera people. Tara! Ito yung cafe nila isa. Ito lang. Relax na. Paper clip. Okay, yun lang guys. Sa susunod, natin makikita.